All right, I'm back at it. This time I got a C165, 16 horse Kohler engine this time. Man, these things have been popping up everywhere for me. I've been getting lucky with these deals for these things. A couple $100. Most I paid for one so far is, I think it's $300. This one even came with the Wheelhorse tiller. That's what I've been after. That's the only reason why I bought it, really. I want that Wheelhorse tiller. And a Toro Wheelhorse trailer. I wish it was the, the Wheelhorse, well, not Toro, but I guess it works. So, here's what it is. There's Wheelhorse on the tag for the tiller there. Deck looks pretty good. I mean, it's rusty. Really nothing a little sand blasting can't handle, though. I like this thing pretty good so far. I like those square headlights. Kind of remind me of the Fox Body Mustang with the square lights on it back in the day. But that's it. More to come, I'm sure.